Welcome to TechQuest.
Hi everyone, happy St. Patrick's Day and welcome to Quest Network Services. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. I have a quick tip to show you today. If you have a computer that's running a little on the sluggish side, maybe a little slow, there are some things you can do to make your computer run a little better, and it won't cost you anything. That's the best news of all. So all you need to do is you need to download CCleaner. And to do that, I'll show you, we'll switch over to my screen here. So all we need to do is go to www.ccleaner.com. And they have a free version here that you can download. I've already got it installed on here. You can also get the Pro Cleaner. There's a free trial. You could try it out for a little bit. The difference is you can schedule scans, and there comes with a few other extra bells and whistles. But we're going to, for the purpose of the demo today, we're just going to do the free version, and you just basically just click the free download and run the program to download it. Once it's done, it'll be installed on the computer, and then you're ready to go. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open the CCleaner program. So we're just going to go ahead and double click it on here. And it will go ahead and open here. I just have to drag it over here for you guys to see. And they have a health check that you can run, a scan to check everything out on the machine. So we'll start with that one first. So we're going to click Scan PC. If you have a browser open or some other programs that it's going to ask you to close, we're going to go ahead and say close these programs. And it's going to run a quick scan here. And so let's see what it found here. Items that can be cleaned. There are definitely some cookies on our system here that can be taken care of. It'll clear our browsing history, remove any temporary internet files. So as you browse the internet, it's going to save parts of that website to your computer so that the next time you visit that website, the site will open up quicker. But over time, that adds up, and it takes up space on your computer, which you're going to want to take off anyways. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to clean these items. So we're going to hit the clean button here. And now we have already cleaned that, so we're going to hit next here, and it's going to look at other items on the system that can be cleaned to optimize and make the system run faster. There's some temporary system files on here. There's some application cache, so when you're using programs, it will also store other items on the computer that can be cleaned up. So we're going to go ahead and click Clean, and it'll check the recycle bin, which we don't have anything in there. We're going to go ahead and hit next here. And now it says there are some other things that it can make run faster. However, we have to pay for those items. So there's an optimizer on here. There's security. You can update some applications. Don't necessarily really need to do that. If you want the extra protection, you can, of course, do that if you'd like. We're going to go ahead and click Skip for now. And of course, it's going to go ahead and try to sell us on the professional trial. You try it for 30 days. Nah, we don't have to do that. And your PC's health is now completed. And we can go ahead and click Apply on this. And so that's a quick way to scan and clean up the system. The other thing I like to do with CCleaner is they have a registry cleaner. Now, this will also help if you have any programs that are having issues or maybe not starting up properly or crashing. You can uninstall a program and then run the registry cleaner with CCleaner to help alleviate any leftover things that could be behind that you want to clean up. So we're going to go ahead and click on the registry button here in CCleaner, and we're going to go ahead and scan for some issues. And this will go ahead and look at the registry and see what could possibly be cleaned up here. And it looks like it's already finding a few items here. And we're going to go ahead and let this run. And once it finishes, it found 30 items on my system here. We're going to go ahead and click Review Selected Items. You don't necessarily have to run a backup of the registry. I have been using this program now for many years. I have never once had the program mess up the system to the point where I had to restore from the registry. So we're going to say no to this. You can, of course, back it up if you like. I'm going to click the button that says Fix All Selected Issues. And look at that. Real quick, it's all done. We're going to scan one more time here. Sometimes there's some leftover stuff that it doesn't get with the first pass. So I always like to run it again just to be sure. So we'll let that run. And it looks like we're good to go. All right, so I hope that helped you out. It was a very quick cleanup of your system. You'll notice that your system will run much better after you run this. And again, it's free. You just download CCleaner and you're good to go. Well, I also got your attention. If you'd like, we also have a newsletter. All you have to do to subscribe to our newsletter is just go to questnetworkservices.com and click on the button to subscribe to our newsletter. You could get either the paper version, which we mail out once a month here, or you can get the electronic version or the digital version emailed to you every month. It doesn't cost you anything. There's some helpful tips in here and some articles about all sorts of IT issues and security and cybersecurity. Doesn't cost you anything. We'd love to send you off a newsletter once a month. To subscribe, just go to questnetworkservices.com and click on subscribe to our newsletter. All you need is an email address, or if you want the paper copy version, just send us your address, and we'd be more than happy to mail that off to you. Hope you're having a great day. Again, happy St. Patrick's Day on this wonderful Saturday and Sunday, I guess the St. Patrick's Day weekend. Look forward to making more videos for you. Have a great day.
Remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more like it, hit subscribe and feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.